So you're starting a business and you're starting to get rolling with your sales team, and you've got this list of invoices, and you as the owner know off the top of your head who each rep is for each client, but you'd like to automate things a little bit more as things continue on. So right now you know the name of, who the rep initials are for each one of these clients, and you want to automatically load up what you got. So what you're going to do is you're going to make a unique list of the names in client B, and that requires the unique function. And all the unique function does is it pulls a list of unique cell contents given a certain array. So we're going to say equal sign unique, tab to put it in play, and then the array is this one here. And we're going to go down quite a ways because we know that we're going to have more sales in the future. So then all we have to do, close parentheses, enter. Now we have our unique list. The 0 is because there are blanks. So now we know who our reps are, and I cheated before I made a list. So paste in the reps, and now we know who the reps are, except for that one. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go back here, and we're going to use the XLOOKUP function to look up who the rep is for the particular client. So equals XLOOKUP, tab. The lookup value, we want to find out who the rep is for the client. So we hit comma. The lookup array is over here because we're going to look up the client's name in this table and then return the rep for that client. So we're going to highlight this. Now we're going to make a space. We're going to bring this down a little further to plan if we're going to hire more reps, we're going to get more clients. Now we're going to hit F4 to lock this in place because we're going to copy this formula down in this cell all the way down, and if we don't, then it won't return the correct value over here. So then in the lookup array is there where the unique client list is. Then the return array is the item we want returned, or the rep's initials. So we're going to make this go all the way down. We want to be sure to hit F4 to lock that in place as well. Close parentheses, enter. Okay, now all we have to do is we're going to copy this down to the same location as we had for client B. Boom. So now we know who the rep is. So now as we add in sales, this list over here will get, as we add in clients, new clients, every time we get a new client will show up here, add the rep here, and every time that rep gets a sale for that client, that rep will automatically be put in this rep field here. Okay, so if you enjoyed the video, if it was helpful, please leave a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more content in the future. Also, you can comment on what other things you need to see, would like to see. Also, if you would like to sign up for some in-person instruction, we've got a class coming up starting April 11th at Diablo Valley College in Pleasant Hill, California. So I'll put a link to that in the comments, and hopefully we'll see some of you there, and we will talk to you next time.